everyone, my name's Sam and I'm here today with Kiss Lashes to show off their new Naked Drama Lash collection. I'm going to use my personal favorite style, chiffon, on my model here today after I do a bronzed glam smoky eye. So before we go ahead and do her bronze look today on her eyes, we're going to start with her eyebrows and then we're going to move on to the eyeshadow after. I've already done her complexion, meaning her concealer, her contour, her blush, and her foundation. So now we can go right ahead into the eyebrows. I like to start off with short strokes into the brow to replicate the real brow hairs. And then I'm going to use the spoolie on the other side of my brush to comb through the brow. So now that I've filled in her brows, I want to use a little bit of cream concealer to define and clean up underneath her brow. After that, you're going to want to drag the concealer down so the lines are seamless. If you want, you can also add a little bit of this concealer to the top of the brow just to define the top of the brow and the arch a little bit more. After you do that, I'm going to take some brow gel on the end of the spoolie brush just to hold the actual brow hairs she already has in place. So now that we finished off the brows and the complexion, we can go ahead and continue to the eyeshadow and execute that bronzy smoky eye that we wanted to do. I'm going to start off with a neutral eyeshadow color that resembles her skin tone. And I'm going to set that concealer that we dragged down from under the brow before. I'm going to continue with my fluffy brush and I'm going to grab something to start in her crease. I'm going to go ahead and grab a more defined brush and a deeper color right underneath the color that we just placed down. You can grab the fluffy brush again to make sure those two colors mend together. Now before I go in with an even deeper smoky crease corner color, I want to start with the lid color that gives us the bronze look. I'm going to use a more flat brush to apply a liquid bronze eyeshadow. You can go ahead and grab the last crease brush you used to blend out the lid color. Now that we have a crease color and a lid color on there, I'm going to move on to the outer corner of the eye and I'm going to add some smokiness there so it'll complement the volume of the lashes that we're going to put on. And I'm just using a black tone to accentuate that, keeping all the tones very neutral and very bronze. Now that I have majority of the top of the eye complete, I'm going to go ahead and smoke out underneath the eye. Now I'm going to accentuate the inner corner of her eye. I'm going to use more of a gold tone and use that fluffy brush to blend out again. Now to make it a little bit more of a glam look, I'm going to apply another liquid shadow right on the eyelid. So now to complete the smoky eye portion, I'm going to use a little bit of gel eyeliner just to line very close to the lash line on top. This is going to help disguise the lash line of the lashes that we're going to apply. I'm going to apply some gel liner on the inner waterline, just on top of the gel eyeliner we did on top, accentuating that outer corner again with some black eyeshadow. We're now ready to apply our Kiss lashes in the style chiffon from the Naked Drama collection. So now that we're measuring the lashes, I'm going to use my Kiss lash applicator and I'm going to pick up one side first. So I'm going to have my model look down and I'm going to place them near her eye. Her eye measures out to remove a few clusters for it to fit comfortably. And I'm going to trim the outer corner, which is very important, of the eyelash. I can now use the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive to apply to the lashes and apply to the model. You want to wait until the lash glue gets a little tacky. So now we can apply the lash band to the lashes. And it's super easy to apply these because it has a cushion flexi band that makes it really easy to apply to the lash line. So you want to push the lashes down on her natural lashes and use the lash applicator to squeeze the lashes together. And open. And these lashes are super voluminous because of the split tip technology. Makes the lashes look even more luxurious to go with the bronzed eye look we have. Next, we're going to apply a lip liner to complete the nude sultry vibe. So I'm going to use more of a nude lip liner. Now that we applied the lip liner, I can go ahead and fill in the lip liner with a nude lipstick color. Now after I applied lipstick, to complete that sultry look, we're going to apply a little bit of gloss in the center of the lip. To finish off this glowy, neutral, smoky look, I'm going to use a little bit of highlighter on her cheekbones right here to give her that inner glow. And if you want to be a little bit extra glowy, you can highlight the center of the nose. And with that being done, that completes this neutral, smoky look. Thank you guys for tuning in to this Kiss Lashes Naked Drama tutorial. I hope you were able to learn some easy tips and tricks on how to apply my favorite chiffon lash. I feel like the flexibility of the lash makes it really easy to apply, and it really gives you this sultry, voluminous, sexy look at the end.